Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel. Today's video is about very beautiful ornamental kale plant. This plant grows in winter. They start growing like from October and they continue growing like November, December, January, February. So they are very cold tolerant plants. They can tolerate the frost and the cold weather. So it is very good plant. If you don't have any plant in winter, then you can grow these plants and they will grow very well. So today I am going to transplant them in bigger pots so that they can grow more and more and give more vibrant color. You can see one is of cream color and one is purple color. So they comes in these two colors, and the good thing is they also seeds and flowers in the month of like March and April. So once the pod has dried out, then you can take out the seeds and you can store them and you can regrow them in the month of uh, August. Then they will be ready for you again to be in the winter. So these are very beautiful, and this is a very ornamental plant. They gives very good view in your garden. You can grow them in a row or in a circle. Like if you have a cream color plants, you can grow them in a row or in a circle, all cream one in one circle and all the purple in other circle. So these are not very expensive. I got them only $5. So they are available normally in garden center during the month of October. So you can buy from there if you want to buy, and you can grow them in pot or in ground, whichever you like. In ground, it is uh, more. They grow more and more, and in pot, you can just move them around if you think that there is some problem in the area, more sun is coming or more cold weather is coming, so you can protect them a little bit. But normally they are frost resistant, so you don't have to worry them. So I have planted the one which has the cream color, you can see that, and this pot is quite good enough for this. And this is the purple one, you can see in the middle all the purple leaves are coming. Once they will grow more and more, they will show more purple color and more cream color, and they look very beautiful. So in this way you can grow this plant and you can get the seeds in the month of March or April. Then you can save them and you can grow again in the month of August. So you can see now I have completed the one and I'm completing the other plant. Now both are done. So you can see both of them. They are of good size. You can see them. So guys, I hope you like this video and you will also grow your ornamental kale or cabbage, what you call it. So kindly subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends. I will be thankful for you. So guys, thank you and see you in my next video. Till then, bye.